Good morning, YouTube. Today is 17th May and I have entered in my trade. So, this is trade number 9 for my 5-mile run. I have entered at 18,280 at a put of 18,200 and my stop loss is at 18,321 and I was planning on entering around here somewhere 300, 305, 310, but I gave a limit price also, but it didn't got activated by 50 paise. So Nifty for 25 minutes, for the last 25 minutes, Nifty has been consolidating in this range around 18,250 and it has been unable to break this range. So my stop loss here is for 40 points and in case Nifty breaks this line 218, then it will come towards 170 and then 124. So these are my 3 targets. This is my stop loss, and yesterday I didn't trade it. Nifty opened a bit down. Actually, I was hoping my setup was to keep 460 as my stop loss, so I was hoping Nifty to open above 420, 440 in this range. But after that, Nifty consolidated here for the whole day and near 350, and then it was in this range, and then it broke on the downside, and it was around 2:30 p.m. So I didn't enter because it was pretty late and I would have only got 40, 50 or 60 points in the index. So yesterday I was a bit confused about the setup, so I didn't enter, and I watched the market whole day, but I didn't enter. And today also I got somewhat not perfect, but I got a setup, and that is the reason I entered today with a 40 point stop loss, which will be strict, and above 320. This is a big resistance for Nifty, 350. If my stop loss gets hit here, I will re-enter again, maybe, but I'm not sure now. So for now, my plan of action is, in case Nifty goes below 240, in case Nifty trades below 240 for some time, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then I'll keep my SL to 255. This doji will be my SL. So let's see what happens. And the last month, in the month of April, I started with a capital of 5,000 rupees, and overall in the 5-mile run and the 5-mile test, I managed to lose 600 rupees from my capital, 600 to 700 rupees from my capital. So in the month of May, I have again I had to redeposit that money, 600 or 700, and again I have started with 5,000 rupees, and today is 17th May, and this is my trade number 9. So let's see what happens. So it's almost 11:30 a.m. and since Nifty crossed 18,240 and I waited for 5 to 8 minutes, and then I've trailed my stop loss to 18,257, which is the low of these three candles. This is the low of these three candles here. So 18,210 is my target one, but this was a support or resistance line for Nifty previously. So Nifty respected this line 18,220, and if it goes below this line, then I'll keep this as my stop loss, trailing stop loss, and I'll wait for 18,170, 180. I'll wait for that range. And the other thing is I have to go out somewhere today, and hence I'll be unable to wait for 3:30, so I have to leave early. So I'll try to book little profit and not wait for the whole target. And whenever Nifty crosses my target one and is in this range, I'll either trail my stop loss here or I'll try to book somewhere here in this range. So this is actually a pretty good sign that Nifty has been consolidating around 18,220 for 40 minutes now. So my previous stop loss was at 18,321. My entry was near 280, and now I have trailed my stop loss below my entry point. So I can trail my stop loss to this swing high also, 230. So that way it will be 50 points below my entry price. So let's see. And I was calculating my P&L for the last month, April, and I was at a loss of 1,100 rupees. So this month I have to add 1,100 rupees and start again with the same amount of capital of 5,000. And currently, even before this trade, I was at a profit of 1,200 maybe. So I'm learning to be specific, and I have to tell myself anything is possible. There is a random outcome, even though I got a setup, but still it doesn't matter that Nifty will go down. Anything can happen. Anyone from anywhere in the world can turn the tables around. So probability are Nifty might hit my target, might hit my stop loss, or Nifty might stay in this range. So anything can happen, and I don't have any control over the market. But I really need to work on cooling myself mentally. I need to practice something so that I could be more calm, composed, and focused. So yeah, I'm planning on all these things, and let's see where the market goes. So I've exited from my trade. I could have waited for 5 minutes and book 100 points profit, but I somehow booked 90 points in the index. 100 point profit in the index today would have fetched me 1500 rupees, more than 1500, 1700 rupees. But anyways, I exited at 18,190, around 18,190, and 280 was my entry price. So I booked 90 points in the index, profit of 90 points in the index. And the reason I did this, I had trailed my stop loss. This is my trailing stop loss 1, and this is my trailing stop loss 2. But the reason that I still booked here was because it's almost 11:50 a.m. and I have to leave by 12:30. So otherwise I would have waited the whole day and try to book profit somewhere here. But anyways, I got a setup, entered, and today I left some money on the table because of work that I have to do. But that's absolutely fine because I'm not. My purpose of trading now, doing this 5-mile run, 5-mile test, is not to earn money. My purpose is solely to develop some skills that will help me to become a professional trader. So no worries. Even 500 rupees, 400 rupees profit is also good as long as I follow a setup. So my entry point was 280, stop loss was 40 points, and I somehow managed to get 1:2.5. So I'll take that. So Nifty will fall towards 18,100 and it will break 100 also, but no worries. I have given in to my emotion of greed earlier and I regretted it. So today I got small profit and I exited. At this candle, exactly at this point, I would have got more 1,000-1,500 rupees, but that's absolutely okay because I'm trying to not focus on the money here. I'm trying to keep my focus on the process and not on the outcome, because by keeping my focus on the process, I can learn to develop some skills. So like thinking probability. So anyways, so almost 12 p.m. and Nifty has hit my second target, but I have to exit. So that's it. Tomorrow is expiry, and see you guys tomorrow.